In this tutorial, I am going to talk about this question: how can I get paid to work online? This video provides easy to follow methods and some of the best ways to make money online. So if you're interested in discovering some money making strategies to create an online income, keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video because that tells me you like the content and I'll then create more content for you. Thank you, let's go. Method number 1. Find freelance work online. Freelance work is when you work for yourself and complete projects on a contract basis. Even if you take on a contract to work for a company, you are still self-employed when you are a freelancer. And there are plenty of freelance jobs online. In fact, there are plenty of freelance websites that list jobs. When you do freelance work, you can use the skills you have to make money in a way that fits your schedule and lifestyle. Online freelance jobs allow you to find and connect with clients while you work from home. Understanding how to find freelance jobs can help you build experience, earn money, and develop a roster of clients. Online freelance jobs are opportunities to work from virtually anywhere without a full-time employment contract, usually with the flexibility to create your own schedule. As a freelancer, also called a contractor, you can work for multiple clients who need the skills you have. You can typically select your own projects and work when and where you choose, as long as you can complete them before their deadlines. Some of the work you can do as an online freelancer includes writing, graphic design, illustration, voice acting and narration, copy editing and photography. Determine the type of work you offer. To find online freelance jobs, it's helpful to first decide which ones work best for you. You can create a list of the skills you prefer to use or the specific jobs you'd like to do. For instance, if you like to write, you might decide whether you prefer writing blogs, opinion articles, entertainment lists, advertising copy, or speeches. Establishing the specific skills you offer can help you determine what jobs to search for and where to find them. Perform an internet search for available jobs. A simple internet search can help you understand more about the market for freelancers in your discipline. Using a specific search query could help you find jobs suited to you. For instance, instead of illustration jobs, you can try online freelance children's book illustration jobs. If you prefer looking through a broad list of opportunities to narrow down the roles that interest you most, a more general search can help. Join a freelance network platform. There are many websites specifically intended to help freelancers find clients. Performing an online search for freelance platforms can help you find the various websites available. Many of these sites allow you to create a profile that describes exactly the type of work you can do. Some let you display examples of your work so you can show clients what you can do for them. Depending on the site, you can contact clients who need work done and bid on the jobs available. Many of these sites are free to join, but some charge fees. They often charge you a percentage of how much you earn per project. Consider browsing several of them to find the ones that best suit your lifestyle and business needs. Look for jobs on company websites. It's possible that companies may have freelance jobs available, but that they advertise on their sites. Check desired employers' websites to see if they have a page for careers. If they don't list any, consider contacting the company to inquire about freelance job opportunities. It's helpful to explain the work you do, why you'd like to do work for them, and how your work can help improve their business. I would highly suggest to check out Upwork.com. They are the world's largest freelance marketplace. Upwork offers a large volume of remote freelance jobs. You'll see listings for freelancers as web designers, project managers, writers, graphic designers, and other specialties. Over 15 million freelancers get their work from Upwork and it's free to join. There are also over 2 million jobs for freelancers listed on Upwork. Flex Jobs and Solid Gigs are also excellent sites for freelancers who are looking for work. Method number 2. Create a blog. Blogs are a popular money-making tool because they are easy to create and offer many routes for monetization. If you have some knowledge on a subject, you could create an online course and sell your expertise to people who come to your blog. Perhaps you've got a blog that specializes in a particular topic. You could sell digital products related to that topic, like guides, templates, ebooks, and more to people that visit your blog. If you don't have your own products to sell, you could become an affiliate for a business or brand and promote other businesses' products and services. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money online by promoting other people's items on your site. Whenever someone clicks on the link, you receive a commission from the sponsoring company. There are plenty of affiliate networks that have an extensive list of companies for you to join and become an affiliate marketer with. Google AdSense is an easy way to make money from your blog. All you need to do is add a script from Google to your website and start displaying ads. You will get paid for every time a user clicks on the ad. These are called CPC ads. CPC stands for cost per click. By displaying CPC ads with Google AdSense, you receive a set fee every time a visitor clicks on an ad. The cost per click is set by the advertiser. This is in contrast to CPM ads, where you're paid for ad views instead of clicks. CPM means cost per 1,000 impressions, where M is the Roman numeral for 1,000. Google AdSense is a good way to start earning money online when you are first starting out. Looking for a Google AdSense alternative? Try media.net. They also have a large pool of advertisers and their payouts are good. Sell sponsored blog posts. Some bloggers aren't interested in displaying ads to their audience and wonder how to monetize a blog without ads. With ad networks, you lose some control over the content displayed on your site. Some readers will get annoyed or offended by ads, and more people are using ad blockers, which affects your earning potential. An alternative way to monetize a blog is through sponsorships. A sponsorship works just like it does in sports, TV shows, or other industries. Basically, a company pays you to represent their product, talk about it, and promote it to your readers. To get started, it's a good idea to put together a one-page media kit that details your traffic stats, social media following, audience demographics, and any other data that will make your site more appealing to advertisers. Then you can approach companies to negotiate a sponsorship deal. If at any point you're looking for support and training in digital marketing, then I recommend you check out the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. Just click the link in the description box below this video. Method number 3. Become a virtual tutor. Tutors are always in demand. Whether you are a teacher or someone with specific knowledge, you can help learners improve their grades and prepare for exams. Just keep in mind that you should have the teaching experience and a subject-specific certification. This will help create credibility for both parents and students. Do some research so you will understand your audience. From your skills, pick topics that you will feel confident teaching. Having specialization certification or an advanced degree will give you an additional advantage. There are a lot of teaching methods you can implement when you are a virtual tutor. You can use interactive activities, slides, storytelling, and even gamify your course lessons. Being a virtual tutor is one effective way to make money online. To begin with, it is important to learn a bit more about what you will need to teach online. There are lots of tools available to facilitate long-distance learning, however it can often be difficult to choose the right one for you. The most important thing to remember is that the tools you use should be suited to your teaching style. With tutoring online, it is important to consider how you will connect with your students. You should think about whether you need to set up a call or video chat for the lesson. Utilizing a tool that can help you connect with your students in real time can help engage them. It also means you are able to make sure your students are getting the most out of the class. If you are looking for a free video chat, you have a number of different options to choose from, such as Google Hangouts, Zoom, Tutor Cruncher's video chat feature, and Whereby. If you are looking to have a collaborative workspace where you and your students interact, you may want to use an online whiteboard or a document sharing software. These tools can allow your students to interact with lesson material online in real time. For those wanting to highly engage their students during a lesson, this is a great option. As with video chat services, you can find lots of different online whiteboards ranging from free to premium pricing. You will also need to understand what you need for teaching online in order to choose which tool you want to use. If you are looking for a free tool to collaborate with your students, you could consider using Google Docs, collaborative documents, PowerPoints, and Excel files. Bramble, which is an online whiteboard with video chat, screen recording, and collaborative space. Zoom Whiteboard, easy use real-time document annotation. You might also want to think about whether you want to use a premium service for a monthly subscription. These tools are usually able to provide you with a more extensive set of features. Method number 4. Start a channel on YouTube. There are many ways to make money online with a YouTube channel. The most popular way is to add AdSense ads to your videos. Every time someone clicks on your ad, you make money. You can also promote products in your videos on YouTube by wearing or using certain products in your videos. Add a link to your online store to get people to visit your store and buy your items, or contract with third-party companies to promote their products. Just make sure you have a compelling offer for your viewers. Another way to make money on your YouTube channel is to create sponsored content. This way you can make a profit by endorsing branded products or creating content marketing videos. Land a brand deal and make sponsored content. Companies interested in your channel's audience might sponsor your videos or offer you product placement deals in exchange for a shout out, called brand deals in the biz. The operative word here is audience, which means these types of deals are more likely to present themselves when you develop a following. As your channel grows, you can contact the brands you'd like to work with directly, or use resources like affiliate marketing sites to find corporate partners that complement your style of content. With brand deals, you can receive lump sum payments, earn commission on a per sale basis, or get the product or service for free. Keep in mind, if you do have an endorsement or use product placement in a video, you must notify YouTube by ticking a box in your video details. Method number 5. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping can be a simple and profitable business model. You don't have to pay for storing your inventory. Instead, you can act as the go-between. Find suppliers online who will sell you products wholesale, then mark it up and earn a profit for yourself. From computers and clothing to jewelry and health food, there are thousands of suppliers who can provide you with your inventory. When you do this, you'll need to have a website and or an e-commerce storefront of your own to market and sell the products. Dropshipping is a business model which you can use to run your store without ever holding any inventory. Once you've made a sale, your supplier will ship your products from their warehouse straight to your customer's doorstep. You'll never need to worry about storing, packaging or shipping your products. In the dropshipping business model, the retailer, you, sell the manufacturer's products on your website under your own brand. You'll be responsible for choosing and marketing those products, plus you'll also be responsible for their shipping costs and setting prices that make you a profit. In the dropshipping business model, the customer buys the products directly from you, the retailer. If questions or issues arise, they contact the retailer they bought the product from. Method number 6. Become an influencer. Influencers are people who help persuade potential buyers of a product or service by promoting or recommending the items on social media or YouTube. If that appeals to you, start thinking about what your niche could be. Maybe you're interested in fashion or travel. Maybe you've got a lot of say about tech or fitness gear. Consider your strengths and pick a niche that allows you to showcase those strengths. Once you pick your niche, it is time to market to an audience. You can do this with a blog or on social media platforms. Once you start building your audience, you can start selling to them. If you become popular, you might get the opportunity to represent specific brands and make money by promoting their products. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which strategy or method from this video you are going to use first. I'd be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do, if you want to accelerate your learning even further and develop your digital skills, make sure you go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please like the video. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.